If you want to stay strong, youthful, and full of energy no matter your age, this video is perfect for you because I'm going to show you the 3 best anti-aging isometric exercises, meaning you won't even have to move for these. Make sure you watch to the end because that last hold is going to be the main one. Let's get started. Horse stance targets large lower body muscles, glutes, quads, and inner thighs, while your core and back stabilize posture. By locking into a 90-degree squat and holding, you keep those muscles under continuous tension, which research shows spikes growth hormone release and improves joint nutrition. This static position boosts flexibility and balance. Strong isometric leg strength keeps you mobile for stairs, bending, or rising from a chair with ease as you age. Horse stance also enhances brain to muscle coordination, which helps prevent slips and falls. Because you're motionless, compressive forces on knees and hips stay low, yet cartilage still receives nourishing fluid from sustained muscle squeeze, protecting against arthritis. To perform it, stand shoulder width, drop hips until thighs are parallel, knees tracking over the ankles. Hold 30 to 45 seconds, breathe deep, make sure you get that oxygen, press feet outward to light up the inner thighs. That's important. Work up to 60 seconds, 3 rounds, next exercise. This exercise just keeps popping up on the channel, and it's because it's really that good. This timeless upper body move, now done isometrically, primarily targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, the first muscle groups to weaken with age. Holding midway down places continuous load on the shoulder girdle, promoting bone density in wrists, elbows, and the clavicle area. Vital armor against osteoporosis, which usually starts around age 40. Because your torso must stay locked in a straight plank line, your transverse abdominis and obliques brace hard the entire time, so you're sneaking in serious core engagement with every hold. Static push-ups improve blood flow and heart health by maintaining moderate intrathoracic pressure while you breathe under load. Functional strength skyrockets because supporting your own body weight and the sticking point carries over to real-life tasks like pushing doors or lifting groceries. Set up in a standard push-up, lower until elbows are 90 degrees, keep body in a straight line. Hold 15 to 30 seconds. Beginners, drop to your knees. Advance, add a weighted vest. Do 3 rounds. That sustained tension also fires core stabilizers, sharpening balance and reducing fall risk. Now, this last exercise may seem a little redundant because we're going back to the lower body and we already worked that with horse stance, but there's a reason. Let me explain. The static lunge, front knee at 90 degrees, back knee hovering an inch off the floor, delivers full body anti-aging benefits. It torches quads, glutes, and hamstrings, just like the horse stance, while your core and hip stabilizers keep you upright, directly combating age-related hip weaknesses. Holding the position trains the small mechanoreceptors in the ankles, knees, and hips, dramatically improving proprioception, your sense of body position. Better proprioception equals fewer trips and falls. Because you're not moving, joint shear is minimal, making it joint friendly even for people with cartilage wear. Step forward, sink down, square the hips, and hold for 20 to 40 seconds per side. Keep the torso tall, front heel loaded. 3 sets each leg will boost circulation, stimulate bone density in the femur, and leave you with a youthful, springy gait. Most importantly though, this is going to improve your balance like you wouldn't believe, and you get more balance building from this exercise than you do from the horse stance. Putting it together in a quick 5-minute circuit: number 1, horse stance. We're gonna hold that for 45 seconds. Number 2, 90-degree push-up hold, which we're gonna hold for 20 seconds. And number 3, the static lunge hold, where we're gonna hold for 30 seconds per leg. Rest 20 seconds between the moves and repeat 2 more times for a total of 3 sets. That's it. No equipment, anywhere, anytime. As you grow stronger, make sure you either extend the time under tension or add weight. Make this static routine part of your daily life, and you're going to feel stronger, move better, and keep youthful energy for years. Imagine being able to lift heavier, move faster, and stay pain-free even as you age, all without pounding your joints. In this video, I'll show you the best isometric exercises every man over 40 must include to stay strong, mobile, and full of vitality. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the most important and most overlooked exercise that will change how you move forever. Let's jump into it. First up is the legendary horse stance. It's more than just a leg exercise and martial arts leg strengthener. It's a full body lesson in strength, endurance, and mental toughness. Horse stance strengthens your quads, hips, glutes, core, and lower back, all while teaching you to stay relaxed under tension. For men over 40, it's critical because it builds joint resilience, which is super important as we age, and lower body stability, protecting your knees and hips from future injuries. Drop into a squat position with your thighs parallel to the ground, feet pointed slightly out and chest upright. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds at a time and fight to stay perfectly still. Now I'm sure you can feel those legs are heating up, but now let's test your upper body strength with the timeless classic done the isometric way. Push-up holds are deceptively brutal for building chest, tricep, shoulder, and core strength all at once. Lower yourself halfway down into a push-up and freeze. This teaches your body to generate maximal tension while protecting your shoulder joints and improving scapular stability. For men over 40, this is going to help bulletproof the shoulders and maintain powerful pressing strength without grinding those joints under heavy loads. Start by holding halfway down for about 20 to 30 seconds and build that up over time. Keep the body straight, core braced, and elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Legs and upper body are now fired up. It's time to forge an iron core without a single crunch. This deceptively simple hold is going to torch your lower abs and build deep core stability. Lie flat, lift your feet about 6 inches off the ground and hold that position. You will feel this almost immediately. Press your lower back into the floor the whole time, no arching allowed. Strengthening the transverse abdominis reduces back pain and boosts overall balance and lifting power. Hold the 6 inches hold for 20 to 45 seconds and aim to make it look effortless even when, let's face it, it's not. Now I know those abs are cooking, but without a strong back, your core isn't complete. Let's fix that. Your posterior chain is your secret weapon, and the hyperextension hold fortifies it like armor. Hold the top of a hyperextension movement with your body flat and tight. No overextending. This locks in strength for your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, protecting your spine for the long haul. Hyperextensions are a must and a personal favorite of mine to prevent back pain, restore posture, and maintain athleticism. You want to hold the hyperextension hold for about 30 to 45 seconds, squeezing everything from your glutes to your upper back. Okay, we've built our core from front to back. It's time to put our upper body to the ultimate static test. Jump or pull up until your chin is over this bar and freeze. This is going to build brutal lat, bicep, forearm, and grip strength, all while supporting better posture. Chin-up holds are perfect for strengthening the shoulders without overloading the joints. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds to start and extend over time. If needed, use a band for assisted holds and work your way up. Now that we have the strength, how do we get that explosive hip power that keeps you young? Let's build that up next. Grab a kettlebell and set up like you're halfway into the kettlebell swing. Hips back, glutes loaded, back flat, and hold. This hip hinge hold teaches explosive mechanics while sparing your knees and back from unnecessary strain. You'll feel it light up your glutes, hamstrings, core, and grip, all while staying motionless. Hold the loaded position for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on creating as much tension as possible. And now, mobility is going to meet raw strength. It is time to finish this strong. Hold a kettlebell or dumbbell against your chest, drop into a squat until thighs are parallel, and hold that position. This static squat builds your quads, glutes, core, and improves posture all at once. It's also going to keep your hips, knees, and ankles mobile, helping you stay balanced and strong into your later decades. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, keeping your heels flat and chest proud. Now here's how to structure these 7 powerhouse isometric exercises into a simple but effective plan. Day 1, upper body. Push up hold, 3 sets. 6 inches ab hold, 3 sets. Chin up hold, 3 sets. Day 2, lower body. Horse stance, 3 sets. Hyperextension hold, 3 sets. Hip hinge hold, 3 sets. Goblet iso squat hold, 3 sets. Day 4 and day 5, repeat the workout, aiming to add 5 to 10 seconds to your holds every week. Rest or do light mobility or stretching work on your off days. Progress by pushing longer holds, better form, and deeper mind-muscle connection. These 8 isometrics will completely transform your body, but exercise number 3 will shock you. Have you ever imagined transforming your entire body without even moving? I know it sounds impossible, right? But today I'm going to prove that isometric exercises can be the key to a strong, defined, and resilient physique. No expensive equipment or marathon workouts required. In today's video, you'll see 8 deceptively simple moves that activate your muscles in ways you've never felt before. Like I said before, exercise number 3 is the most important and surprising of them all. I'm sure you've never heard of it, and it might be the missing detail in your program. Stick around because after the countdown, I'll show you a complete 10-minute routine that can change your body in just a few weeks. You ready? Let's go. If you've ever dangled from a pull-up bar for a few seconds, you know how simple it looks. Yet it challenges nearly every muscle. Static hangs strengthen the forearms and hands while activating shoulders, lats, and core. Your grip strength is directly linked to overall endurance, heart health markers, and athletic performance. Hanging even decompresses the spine, improving posture and easing back pain. One reason physical therapists love it for people with postural issues. I want you to grab the bar shoulder width, keep your shoulders engaged, and brace the abs and aim for a 30-second hold, increasing over time. Knee raises, straight leg lifts, or single arm hangs crank the difficulty further. It is brutal, but the payoff is a major grip, core, and endurance gains. Don't skip it. Slide your back down a wall until your knees form right angles and your shins stay vertical, then freeze. This squat deft hold lights up quadriceps, glutes, and core without any joint pounding. 30 seconds feels eternal, and once you can manage a full minute, you can add a loaded backpack or hold plates for extra burn. Wall sits reinforce knee stability, boost lower body endurance, and carry over to better sprinting, jumping, and everyday stair climbing power. Lie on your back, extend your arms overhead, lift your shoulders and heels a few inches, and glue your lower back to the floor so no light sneaks through. Hold that banana-shaped curve for 20 to 40 seconds, breathing shallow. This gymnast staple hammers the deep core, trains anti-extension rigidity, and teaches your trunk to stay rock solid during lifts or sports cuts. Progress by bringing hands and feet closer to the floor or by gentle rocking while maintaining the hollow curve. Step forward, lower until the back knee hovers an inch above the ground and hold that position. Quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes and core all fire at maximal tension while your balance system works overtime. Perfect for ironing out left-right strength gaps. Add dumbbells, close your eyes for proprioception, or elevate the front foot to up the ante. If you want iron-strong legs and a solid athletic foundation, this is essential. Desk life murders your hip flexors and weakens spinal extensors. The Superman hold reverses that. Face down, arms forward, lift your chest and your legs and lock in for 30 seconds. Squeeze your glutes, retract your shoulders, and keep your ribs down. You can try light dumbbells or mini bands or do 5-10 second pulses if a long hold is too much. Stronger posture, reduced back pain, and better daily lifting mechanics await. Now that's 5 isometric holds down, and if your muscles aren't buzzing yet, check your pulse. But before we tackle the last 3 positions, let me shout out the ride that's been keeping my joints happy and my cardio on point. Hovsco's Hov Beta folding e-bike. The Hov Beta rolls with a silky smooth torque center pedal assist, so the power kicks in exactly when you do. No jerky on or off feel like those cadence sensors, just a natural boost that makes active recovery rides feel like you're gliding. Its punchy 750 watt setup tops out at 28 miles an hour, so I can sprint to the gym or cruise a recovery loop without turning it into a full workout. And when I'm done, the whole frame folds in seconds. I stash it next to the squat rack or pop it into the trunk with room to spare. Toss in a long range removable battery, built-in lights, and hydraulic brakes, and you've got a legit commuter that doubles as the perfect low-impact conditioning tool. Grab one through my link below, Hovsco.com/NoLimitSquad, and use the code CJ, and Hovsco will knock a chunk off the price for the No Limit family. All right, commercial break over, shake out those arms, set your timer, and let's crush the last 3 exercises. All right, guys, we're gonna have to stop meeting like this because the 90-degree push-up is once again that exercise. Why? Let me show you first and I'll explain. Lower into a push-up until your elbows hit 90 degrees and freeze. Continuous tension at the toughest leverage point Flood your pecs, delts, and triceps, exploding motor unit recruitment like a gymnast strength drill. Keep a straight line from head to heels and don't let your hips sag or pike. Crack 30 seconds, then progress by lifting one foot, wearing a vest, or hovering just above the floor. It is a brutal upper body test and a plateau buster for bench and dip strength, and this is the ultimate way to completely fatigue your chest, shoulders, and triceps with absolutely zero risk to your joints because there is no movement, so there's no mechanical abrasion with any of your connective tissue. That's why this is so freaking good. Now, how are we gonna top that? Well, we still have two more. Start in a forearm plank, body straight, then introduce micro moves. Lift one leg, shift weight from elbow to elbow, or place toes on a Swiss ball. Each controlled adjustment lasts a slow 3 count while abs stay braced and hips level. These subtle shifts ignite stabilizers traditional planks miss, boosting core resilience and protecting your lower back during lifts and everyday tasks. So we're here. What's number one? What could it be? Because number 3 was already that exercise. Let's go. Lie supine, knees bent, feet hip width. Drive hips up until knees, hips, and shoulders align. Squeeze glutes hard and hold 45 to 60 seconds. Strong glutes means pain-free lower back. What are the 2 major issues related to the joints that we always hear, not even in the fitness realm, just period? Knees and lower back. You're also gonna have a powerful lower body performance by strengthening your glutes. Trust me, it completely changed why I'm able to squat after blowing my lower back out and completely destroying my knees years ago. This shouldn't be possible, but I've been working on my butt. Progress with single leg holds or a plate on the hips. This move cements posterior chain strength, improves posture, and prevents injury. Work those 8 holds into this 10-minute finisher I'm about to show you and run it 3 times a week. Track your hold times. You're gonna see visible muscle. This is real exercise science, not just bro science. And you're gonna feel rock solid strength in just 30 days. Just make sure that you're consistent with it. Don't just do it for a week. That's not how this works. Like the video. Every like helps the algorithm out with this video. Comment your longest 90-second hold and grab the free PDF in the description. Also, most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Stay strong, stay still, and grow fast.